Mga ka-vlog ng Pasig, mga followers sa Luigi Vlogs at syempre mga kapwa natin Pasigueño, kasama natin ngayon. Walang iba ang representative ng lungsod ng Pasig sa Miss Universe, sa patimpalak ng Miss Universe na walang iba kundi si Miss Celina Reyes. Hello!
Hi! Nice to see you.
Ayan.
Nice to meet you all.
Unquotes. This is Pasig.
This is Pasig.
I am Selena. A mother whose love for my children mirrors the passion I harbor for my homeland. I impart not only the warmth of familial love, but also the tales of valor and sacrifice that echo through the pages of Pasig's history. Like countless mothers, becomes a living bridge between generations, weaving the values of love for family and love for country into the very fabric of her child's identity. Just as a mother tirelessly supports her child, Pasigueños often passionately champion their hometown, highlighting its unique charm, culture, and community spirit. Both convey a deep affection that transcends imperfections, fostering a sense of pride and connection. This is tradition. This is progress. This is Selena. And this is Pasig.
Una-una, maraming salamat dahil alam ko malapit na ang pinaka-pageant nyo at nakadaan ka dito.
Yes. Oh, syempre, because I'm not gonna miss it for the birthday of Sir Curly because syempre siya yung nag-help at nagsusupport sa akin ngayon for the Miss Universe Philippines Pasig.
Alright. So ayun, Miss Celina, ilang araw na lang ba? Kailan yung pinaka-pageant?
The pinaka-pageant is on Wednesday na. Ano ba ngayon? Today is
May 19. Saturday.
So,
Saturday. Yeah.
less than a week na lang.
Oo.
Oh my
Super.
God.
And actually, tomorrow is the preliminary competition. So that's where dinedetermine nila kung sino yung kukunin nila na top 20.
Ayan. So alam mo, Miss Celina, curious sa mga taga-Pasig, saan ka sa lungsod ng Pasig? Ano ang iyong barangay?
Barangay San Antonio. Actually, tumira ako sa Barangay Capitolio. So I was actually born and raised talaga in Pasig City. So I lived with my mom and my dad sa Capitolio. And then when I had my family, my kids, I moved to Ortigas.
Punta naman tayo sa background mo. Alam ko, nabanggit mo kasi nung launching nyo nung nakaraan, ikaw ay isa ng mom.
Yes.
Pero sa career mo, ano ang ginagawa ba ng isang Celina Reyes?
Well, behind the pageant, athlete talaga ako. I'm an obstacle course racing athlete or what you call Spartans. So I joined Spartan races. I'm also a marathoner.
As in?
Oo, yung mga sumasabit-sabit, gumugulong-gulong, nagbubuhat ng mga
Parang
mabibigat.
ano, yung ba yung parang sumasali sa triathlon? O
Iba pa yun. But I also do triathlon. Well, actually, duathlon pa lang. So, susunod pa lang yung triathlon. So, medyo, sport addict rin talaga. But, I don't know, yun yung naging buhay ko, maybe because also since birth, since I was young, puro gymnastics naman ako noon. So, after giving birth, before that, and then going to school, na-stop na yung pagiging gymnast ko. And then after giving birth, syempre, para I needed to do something na would keep me in shape. Kasi of course, after giving birth as a mom, syempre, di ba, medyo lumalaki rin
Parang
naman
hindi
talaga
na mahalata.
Lumalaki
Ilan na
ako.
po ang inyong if you don't
Dalawa.
Okay.
I have 2 kids na po. So, prior giving birth, syempre, after giving birth, lumaki rin talaga ako. And then I found it so hard na I had to lose weight kasi napapansin ko lumalaki na yung mga damit ko. Hindi ko matanggap sa sarili ko. So, ginawa ko, that was the pandemic. So, nung pandemic, nagsimula akong mag-jump rope lang.
I'm sorry, nabanggit mo mami mo. Ano ang palayaw mo sa bahay?
Palayaw?
Pag Celina. Cel.
Yeah. We're usually Selena. Pero I have different, people call me different names because as a preschool teacher naman, tawag nila sa akin, Teacher Alex. Kasi I'm Selena Alexis. So sa mga bata, hindi nila nasasabi yung Selena. So I've been called Teacher Alex pag preschool teacher. Pag family, alam kong mga new friends, classmates, ganyan.
So ayan guys, nakita nyo naman kung bakit very fit ang ating representative ng Miss Universe ng Lungsod Pasig, no? Dahil siya ay isang athlete.
Yeah.
Pero ayun, no, atleta ka, talagang bardagulan yan, no? Paano naman napasok ang isang Selena Reyes o paano nagkaroon ng interes sa pageant?
Well, back in 2010, batch ni Venus Ra, I was her batchmate in Binibining, Pilipinas. And that was my first ever pageant. And medyo matanda na ako nung sumali ako noon. Late bloomer ako, kumbaga. I was 24 when I joined Binibini. And then after the pageant, syempre nag-propose agad ang aking husband. So nung nag-propose siya agad, na-cut short lahat ng pageant dreams ko. Which, hinayang rin ako in a way dahil I enjoyed the whole process of joining the pageant nung panahon na yon. And then, nung pandemic, syempre pumayat na ako nun eh. Tapos may dumating na isa pang pageant, it's called the Century Tuna Super Bods. And then, sumali rin ako noon 2022 and I won the Ageless Award. So, yun yung mga matatanda.
Ayan, no, speaking of ageless, aging gracefully ka naman dahil mom ka na, no?
Sana ma-continue ko yun up to kahit 60 na ako.
Kayang-kaya yan. Miss Selena, isa sa mga tanong or curiosity ng tao, ang usually traditional Miss Universe, pag beauty pageant, iniisip lagi dapat single.
Yeah.
Ayan, tas ikaw, isa na palang mom. So ano ba yung, meron bang rules dati or parang nabe-break na yung bandwago na gano'n?
Well, because of the new rule ng Miss Universe, actually this year lang nila linabas na no age limit. Last year, pinayagan na nila yung mga moms, pero hanggang 32 or 33 lang ata. May age limit pa rin nun. So this is the first edition, 2024, na tinanggal na nila yung mga age limits. So it's more open, I mean, naging open na sila sa inclusivity na kahit sino pwede sumali, kahit 60 years old ka, kahit 50 years old ka, pwede ka pa rin sumali. Which is a good opportunity for, like ako, na cut short yung dreams ko before, or for others na nagpakasal at a young age, but they still want to do pageantry.
Tsaka parang very holistic, no? I
Yes.
mean, nakuha mo yung isang pagiging isang babae na pagiging nanay, no? I mean, mas maganda na, ang ganda lang, parang complete package, di ba?
Yun yung actually target audience ko because it's not, I mean, lahat ng candidates, bilang lang sa amin yung kaya i-represent yung moms. Bilang lang yung candidates ang pwede mag-represent ng women of age. Ako yun. Ako yung mag-represent for all the moms, for all the people of age na it's always not too late to dream kung gusto mo maging beauty queen, kung gusto mo maging stewardess, kahit anong gusto mong maging, even na matanda ka na or you feel na you already have a family na magka-cut short na yung buhay mo because of that.
So, Sel, no, in the past few months, I'm sure, tutok ka na sa pag-train, no?
Yes.
Mag-share ka naman ng mga experiences mo. Ako nakikita ko sa story mo yung yung nado kayo sa Bragais studio.
Yes, studio, yeah. So, usually, doon ako nagpa-pasarela training.
Ano yun?
Pasarela is the walk.
Okay.
So, may walk training pa. Kailangan, syempre, I mean, di ba, each candidate may kanya-kanyang walk. So, sa akin, wala pa namang pangalan. So, siguro pag nanalo na ako, doon na lang natin yung pangalanan yon. But, yeah, we normally have a Q&A training, pasarela or the walk training. And then, we also have yung mga damit that we wear every single day. Of course, we have to have that prepared. Kasi with the organization, biglaan lahat. So, you have to make sure na pag may sinabi silang damit na kailangan mo for tomorrow, meron ka makukuha.
Tsaka I'm sure, no, meron na rin kayong mga immersion activities sa
Yes,
mga
we did.
communities.
Yeah.
No?
Medyo patapos na rin actually in the pageant. So, we've been to Sultan Kudarat, we've been to Palawan, we've been to Boracay, and then we've done a lot of charities also. We have different advocacies also for Miss Universe, and I am with the love for the environment. So, I was able to do cleanup drives in Boracay and also here in Manila. Dapat actually sa Pasig. So, I don't know ba't hindi natuloy. But, yeah, I'm always willing to help a lending hand to anybody who needs my help here in Pasig City. Kasi, syempre, dito ako lumaki.
Ayan, no. Having said that, no, medyo hindi talaga biro, pero hindi naman halata sa'yo na pressured ka at kinakabahan ka.
Hindi pa
may
ba?
ganun ba?
Hindi pa ba?
Ayan, hindi halata.
Medyo.
Pero marami dyan mga kapwa natin Pasigueño nangangarap. Yung iba, mga sumasali ng
Yes.
Mutya ng Pasig or iba pang mga pageant, no. Ano maipapayo mo sa kanila?
Well, ako personally, gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na if you do join a pageant, you just have to enjoy the process. Parang sa start, iisipin mo, ang hirap naman, ang dami namang kailangan, ang gastos. In general, tapos sa katapusan, marirealize mo, ay, ang bilis lang pala ng pageant. And it always will have a good impact sa life mo eh. Even if you come out not the winner, meron at meron pa ring magbabago sa'yo as a person. So yun yung parang pinaka-corona na kaya mong dalhin with or without the crown.
Ayan, no. Speaking of Pasig, Miss Selena, no, ano naman kamusta ang pag-ikot mo, ang mga supporters mo dito sa lungsod Pasig? I'm sure nakapag-courtesy call ka na
Yes,
po ba?
nakapag-courtesy call na ako kay Mayor Vico and with other councilors na rin as well. Super thankful actually sa buong Pasig and of course to St. Gerard kasi grabe yung support na binibigay nila sa akin since I started joining Miss Universe Philippines and representing Pasig. All out ang support, especially in St. Gerard. So wala akong mahihingi pa. Super thankful ako na they gave me the opportunity to do this.
Alright. So ituloy na natin yung
Okay.
tanungan. Nabanggit mo nga kanina na talaga namang nag-courtesy call ka, supportive naman ng city government at St. Gerard sa'yo. Pero kahit nandyan yung husband mo tatanong ko, kamusta naman yung meet up mo kay Mayor Vico Soto?
Pogi. Siyempre, atong tangkad niya. But aside from his looks talaga, malakas talaga dating ni Mayor Vico. But aside from his looks, the way that he talks kasi, parang it's full of substance na feel ko that would be his best asset if naghahanap siya ng girlfriend or ng wife. Kasi syempre, you cannot naman base everything sa looks lang ng tao. So, I think that's one of his qualities na I'm sure magpapatibok ng puso ng mga ibang babae. Or kaya nagwa-wild yung ibang girls sa kanya because of his substance rin and how he relates and connects to people as well.
Ayan, no. Last few questions, nabanggit mo na nga yung konti na advocacy mo, no? Ano yung pinaka-ilalaban mo talaga sa Miss Universe na advocacy?
Advocacy ko talaga is really for the moms of age and physical fitness. So, it's not too late to do and to, alam mo yun, kasi syempre parang tayo as women, as moms, we tend to let loose. After we give birth, parang feeling natin, okay na yan. Kung ano yung suot ko nung morning. Actually, naging ganun ako kung ano yung suot ko nung umaga, pagkagising, yun na rin yung suot ko hanggang gabi. Kasi sobrang tamad ka na mag-ayos sa sarili mo eh. Parang gusto mo mag-focus na lang sa anak mo, sa pamilya mo. And yun yung naging buhay ng isang mom. You're gonna really revolve around your family and your kids. But I want women and moms to step out of that comfort zone na kailangan, hindi dapat ganun. Ayusin mo pa rin sarili mo. You have to always look your best every time, all the time. Kahit pag nasa bahay ka, magpabango ka. Alam mo yun, it's something to also boost your morale as a woman eh. And then, pag na-boost mo yung morale ng sarili mo, of course, you can relate and you can also connect to different women, to different people outside your home.
Alam mo, dito sa likod ko, ano ko parang may pumapalakpak, no? Proud na proud talaga sa'yo ang husband mo dito.
Actually,
sa
siya yung aking biggest fan. Siya yung nag-push sa akin sumali ng pageants. Kasi ako as a person talaga, very introvert ako. Mahiyain ako. So siya nag-push sa akin sa sa Binibini. Siya rin ang nag-push sa akin sa Superbods. Etong Miss Universe talaga, ako lang talaga may gusto nito.
Ayan, no. Last question na, no. Bago mo ibigay yung message mo, paano ba kami makakatulong, mga Pasigueño, mga kapwang Pasigueño, at even yung mga followers at sumusuporta sa buong Pilipinas dito sa darating na pageant?
Yeah, actually, malakas ang kapit sana ng Pasig. Basta patuloy lang tayo magvo-vote para sa akin. You can always follow the Miss Universe Philippines IG and Facebook page. And then you can also follow my personal pages, is Selena Antonio Reyes sa Instagram and also on Facebook. So malakas ang voting natin. So I just really need all your vote and your support. And then if pwede kayong manood, the coronation night will be on May 22 sa SMO Arena.
Ayan, at alam ko may pwedeng humingi na sila ng ticket dito kay St. Gerard.
Yes, I need malakas na cheer. Siyempre, alam mo naman sa MOA Arena, parang basketball game, di ba? Palakasan ng sigaw. The more na mas malakas ang sigaw, the more na, magkaka-impact sa judges. So, we need keyboard warriors. So, kung mga nandyan from the Vlog of Pasig and from everyone in Pasig, I need your support via voting online and also your physical cheer as well.
At higit sa lahat, ipagpe-pray ka namin.
I need
Si
prayers
Lisa.
too, please. Basta makapasok tayo sa top 20, I'll fight for the crown and I'll fight for all the women and all the women of age na kaya natin makipagsabayan sa mga bagets na we can also have that opportunity to represent the Philippines na kahit na moms na tayo.
Ayan, ngayon pa lang, Miss Selena, congratulations
Thank you so much.
sa pagiging
Alamig ko.
representative ng ating mahal na lungsod Pasig.
Yes.
At andito lang kami, asahan mo, huwag kang kakabahan.
Yes,
Kahit alam
salamat.
kong kakabahan
Alam
pa
nga
rin.
ng kamay ko eh. Thank you.
We wish you all the best and good luck sa'yo.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po, everyone.